Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Rev the Unboxer back again with another video. So this is the Nomad rugged case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So the one that I got here is the rustic brown color. So I just unboxed my brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max, and as you all know, it's a very beautiful device. And like most people, I don't think I'm going to use it without some sort of case for protection. Previously, for my iPhone XS Max, I went with the mouse case, which has served me pretty well over the years. So I highly recommend using this brand. But for my iPhone 12 Pro Max, I wanted to try something different, so I really want to try the Nomad case. Actually, I really like the Nomad cases, and I already have it on my AirPods Pro and it looks really good. They really do a great job making cases that has a fit and finish of a highest quality. In my opinion, they even rival Apple's quality when it comes to leather cases. I actually prefer Nomad's leather cases compared to Apple's in certain color options. But when it comes to the brown and rustic leather color, I think Nomad has a better option. Let's go ahead and unbox this and try it out on my iPhone 12 Pro Max and see if it adds any bulkiness to the phone. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of video, so let's get into it. So the case comes in a simple packaging. Looking at the back, so this is a vegetarian tan leather, so it does patina over time. This is a picture of what would it look like in 100 days. Opening the box, you can see the case itself and a brief description of the high quality Harwin leather that is used. Again, the one that I have here is called the Rustic Brown. You also have a choice of black leather and natural leather. And they have it for the iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 mini. Let's take the case out. Okay, the case is actually quite slim and not bulky at all. I really like this microfiber material. A nice Nomad branding right here. As you can see, it also has internal bumpers on the inside to help with drop protection up to 10 feet. Okay, let's try this out. I normally put the left button side first. Wow. Okay, first impressions, this feels really good to hold. It's actually not that bulky, which is nice. And it looks good with the blue too. Wow, the leather looks really good. However, I just wish that the leather goes up to the side instead of this black color. You know, so that you can have a hint of leather if you're looking from the front. So Nomad, if you're watching this video, please make it happen. Anyway, the cutout is perfectly aligned with the speakers and the charging port. The back has a nice leather feel to it and it's easy to grip. You can see the lips on the bumper is just enough to give a good protection for your screen and camera. Buttons are very responsive. However, it's a bit hard to press for my liking. I guess it helps to avoid any misclicking of the buttons. Yeah, this is pretty good. Let's test it with my wireless charger. So as you can see, it charges. The case also supports MagSafe's fast charging. However, Nomad states on the website that due to its thickness, the magnetic connection is weaker with the case on. So bear that in mind when you want to buy this case. So overall, I feel that the fit and feel of the case to be excellent. And it doesn't add any extra bulk to the phone. It has an elegant look with decent protection. I'm really a big fan of Nomad's leather cases. So if you're in the market for a leather case, this really should be on your list. So that's it for my quick unboxing and overview of the Nomad rugged case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let me know in the comments below if you're interested to see a review of the case after 100 days. You know, just to see how the patina has developed over time. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.